I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful crochet jewelry rings. They are really very lovely, dear friends. It is also so easy. If you are a beginner, it's no matter. If you follow my video till the end, you will easily crochet them. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make these. For each crochet ring, you need this kind of scrap yarn. If you have so many scrap yarns, this project is very nice for you. You can make many and you can give away to your friends as present. It is really very lovely. I'm using 2.5 millimeters hook like this. We need a darning needle and we need a scissors to cut the yarn. That's all what we need for this project. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. We are starting crocheting. I'm taking my yarn in my hand and I'm starting with slip knot. I'm doing slip knot like this. Okay. Now, upon this slip knot, I'm making some chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. After making some chains, we are trying it on our finger. For my finger, it's okay, dear friends, like this. Now we are going to join the two edges to each other. Here you should be careful. This is the front side of the chains, this is the back side of the chains. We are going to use the front side of the chains. Look, like this. Always we are going to go on from the front side. I'm inserting my hook through the first chain, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch like this. Always we are going to go on the front side. Now I'm making 2 chains, 1, 2, yarn over, and I'm inserting my hook through the first stitch, yarn over, pull through. I am making a double crochet. Now I'm making yarn over and going to the following stitch here, this stitch, and making a double crochet, yarn over. I am going to the following stitch. I am not taking the upper stitch, I am taking the stitch down here. Let me tell you, I'm not taking this one. What I am doing, I am taking the loop here. Okay. When I do this, it's more secure. Like this. Yarn over. Again, I am going to the following stitch. Here. Not this stitch upper. I am taking the stitch down here. Yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet. Now yarn over, I am going to the following stitch here, down, taking the down loop, making a double crochet, yarn over. I am taking the down loop, not here, not this one. I'm not taking this one, taking the loop down like this, making a double crochet, yarn over, going to the following stitch, taking the loop down. Okay, it's been like this. I'm taking this one, making a double crochet. Like this, we are going on till the end, dear friends.
so. No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope, probably.
Now I'm at the end. I'm inserting my hook on top of the first two chains and making a slip stitch. Now we are on the round 2. For the round 2, I'm inserting my hook through the following stitch and I'm making a slip stitch. I'm going to the following stitch, making a slip stitch. Going to the following stitch, making a slip stitch. Like this, one by one, I am making slip stitches till the end. Always the following stitch we are inserting our hook and we are going on making slip stitches. As you see, it is so easy. Yes, we came to the end. I am inserting my hook through the first slip stitch, one moment, like this, and making a slip stitch in there, one chain, and cutting the yarn. Yes, our ring mainly finished. Now we are going to hide these yarn ends. I'm going to use this darning needle for hiding the yarn end. First of all, I'm inserting my hook through the stitches. And like this. And I am cutting the rest. And I'm going to hide this yarn end also in the same way. First of all, I'm inserting my needle through the stitches. And then inserting the yarn through the hole of the needle. Okay, now I am pulling and cutting the rest. I'm shaping it with my finger, turning to the right side. Okay. The place that we made single stitch will be on the upper. Okay. Yes, like this, dear friends, it is finished. I really love this. Also, the color is wonderful. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like this project. Hope you enjoyed these very cute crochet jewelry rings. I really love them. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, dear friends. If you like my tutorial and if you want more videos from me, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. See you in the coming videos.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never.